Hi, and welcome to the course Kubernetes Design Patterns and Extensions. Kubernetes is a clustering solution for containers that lets you easily manage a cluster and orchestrate containers on it. Originally designed by Google, Kubernetes is the outcome of over 15 years worth of experience on running containers at Google at scale. Kubernetes allows you to deploy, manage and scale containerized applications while taking care of potential failures within your cluster without any required intervention. Kubernetes Design Patterns and Extensions is a unique course across the market because it doesn't simply focus on orchestration of containers or clustering. It really tackles the topic of design patterns for containerized applications with a hands-on approach. At the end of this course, you will not only know about Kubernetes. If you follow along, you will have set up your own cluster as well as extensions for it. But don't worry, you won't have to spend hours coding and troubleshooting your work. With this course, you will get the source code for all examples to download, so you can simply refer to an already working implementation. There is no better way to get you started on your journey on Kubernetes design patterns and extensions. This course goes in depth into a new generation of design patterns, which are similar to the more familiar object-oriented design patterns, but for containerized applications. Lesson 1 introduces these design patterns and classifies them into different categories. Of course, we will solve real-life problems using these design patterns before installing our first application on Kubernetes using a deployment strategy. After spending some time on design patterns, Lesson 2 will focus on various officially supported Kubernetes clients or client libraries. We will cover how you can access the Kubernetes cluster externally or from within the cluster itself. In particular, we'll look at Kubernetes clients written in Go and one written in Python. We'll find out how to install them, configure them to work with your cluster, and how to use them to send commands to your cluster. Now that we can access our Kubernetes cluster from anywhere using the built-in APIs, we'll focus on extending the existing Kubernetes functionality in Lesson 3. For this, we'll look at extension points that are provided by Kubernetes and even add our own extensions such as custom resources, custom controllers, and even custom schedulers. So, whether you're a developer working with containers with no prior Kubernetes experience at all, or you are a Kubernetes administrator that wants to get more out of their cluster, this course is for you.